Yeah, good evening. Sir, in the last video, we are discussing about different types of sorting algorithms. Sir, sorting means what? Arranging the data in ascending order or descending order is called as a sorting. There are various sorting techniques are available. Okay, in that first one is nothing but a bubble sort. So how to work with bubble sort algorithm? In ascending order, how you can able to sort, and in descending order, how you can able to sort. With the help of diagram, I explained very clearly in the last video. Now, sir, the next one is nothing but selection sort. Okay, the next type of sorting technique is selection sort. Sir, in the bubble sort, what we are doing, we are selecting the data and we are going to compare with the next element, adjacent elements like this. Keep on, we are bubbling and we are moving the largest element to the end. Okay, first we will compare these two, next we will compare these two, next we are going to compare these two, next these two, next these two, next these two, next these two. Okay, like this up to this. Okay, so where we are going to the largest element to the end or smallest element to the end, like that we have done. So that process is going to be repeated continuously. Okay, so up to n minus 1 elements. So by reducing one instruction we are going to do. So that is called as bubble sort. Sir, what is mean by selection sort? Okay, what is mean by selection sort? Now, in today's session, we are going to discuss about this selection sort procedure, sir. Okay, we are going to talk about this selection sort. Sir, how this selection sort is going to work? First, let me give theoretical concept. Then I will go with explanation. Have a look once. Suppose if I have elements like this, for example, sir, 2, okay, sir, 2 and then 5, so and then 1, okay, and then 4 and then 3. Like this, if you have n is equal to 5 elements are there. Sir, what we are doing in the selection sort is nothing but sir, first we will find out the minimum element in this array. Sir, what is the minimum element? How you can able to find? First, I will consider 2 as the minimum element. Then I will search for the minimum element which is less than this. Sir, here comparison with it. It is not a minimum element. Sir, next, yes, it is minimum element. So we have to do swapping. Then, sir, we are going to compare with this. No. Then we are going to compare with this. No. Okay, sir, first element is the minimum element. Rest of the elements will be as it is available. This is nothing but first pass, first iteration. Okay, we are finding the minimum element. We are finding the minimum element and we are taking that minimum element to the front. Sir, this is nothing but first iteration. In the second iteration, already this element is sorted. We have to take next element and we need to find out the minimum element in this sorted, I mean, in this unsorted subarray. Sir, 5 and then 2. 2 is the minimum. So shift here. Okay. Next compare 2 with 4. Next compare 2 with 3. Sir, now 1 and then 2 get sorted. Unsorted subarray is nothing but a 5, 4, 3. Sir, next we have to do third phase. What is the third phase? 1 and 2 already sorted. Sir, we are going to take 5 and we have to interchange these two values. Here you will get 4 and then 5 and 4 is compared with 3. Here we will get 3 and then 4. Sir, here we are getting 3, 5, 4. Like this we will have. Sir, what is the next iteration? Sir, here we will compare 5 and 4. So we are going to get like this. That's all. I think we have reached up to last, right? We can terminate at n minus 1 steps itself. Because n value is equal to 5, we are going to get how many passes? Only 4 passes. So within these 4 passes, your data is going to be sorted, sir. Okay. Anyway, how it is going to work with the help of algorithm also, I will explain. But meanwhile, can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this, sir? Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this selections? Or do you have any doubts? No. Sir, let's have that algorithm and let us see how you can able to do that. Okay. Sir, I am taking algorithm here. First, for I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. This is main loop. Inside this, I am considering the minimum element is nothing but I. Sir, I am not taking the element, I am capturing that index. I am capturing that index. Now, for j is equal to I plus 1, so j less than n, j plus plus. I will keep on search for that minimum element. So after getting that minimum element, we have to check one condition. What is that condition? If your minimum element is not equal to I, because sir, we are taking the first element as a minimum element, right? If there is no minimum element in the rest, for example, consider that is which situation we are going to get, I will explain. Okay, just a minute, I will pause the screen. 1 minute, sir, have a look once. Suppose consider I have 1 2 3, so 4 5 like this. I have already the data. If you take I is equal to 0, sir, when you are taking the same element, when we are getting the same element, we are not required to interchange. So that case I am here. So if minimum is not equal to I, sir, then we have to do certain operation. What is that operation? I will explain later. Sir, here I am checking, is there any minimum element in the next? How you can able to check? Already minimum value I have considered as a 0th location. If anywhere that is a of j is less than a of minimum, means what? Sir, your minimum value will become that j, sir. Means what? Sir, you are checking the element whatever you have with minimum element. If your minimum element is greater when compared with a of j, then j will become the minimum text. Like that I am taking. And here, sir, we have to do which operation? Just now we have seen. We have to swap which values? A of I and A of minimum. These values we have to swap. A of I means, sir, which location you have started, that with minimum element whatever you got. So this is simple algorithm we have to work out, sir. So anyway, I will take one example for you to understand, so that you people will get clarity. So consider n is equal to, sir, I am taking 3. Otherwise, let me take n is equal to 4. Okay, n is equal to 4, and the list of values are nothing but, sir, 3, okay, 2, and then 4, and then 1. Like this we have. So 0th location, first location, second location, third location. Observe carefully. When I is equal to 0, sir, what I am taking? I am taking minimum is equal to 0. Minimum is equal to 0. Sir, j is equal to I plus 1. So what will be the value of j? Your j value will be I plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. Sir, 2 plus 1 means 3. That's all. 4 you won't get, because j less than 4 is going to fail. Now I am checking a of j. A of j. A of j means 2. Sir, is it 2 is less than a of minimum? Sir, a of minimum is 0. A of 0 is 3. Sir, yes, it is correct, right? So your minimum will become j. J value will become 1. Okay. Now, sir, next time j plus plus a of j. Sir, your j value will become 2. Sir, j value is 2 means what? A of 2 is nothing but 4. Is it less than a of minimum? A of 1. A of 1 is 2. Sir, is the condition is no, false. Sir, false means we are not doing any activity. Then j is equal to 3. Sir, what is the j value? 1. Sir, 1 is less than a of 1. A of 1 is 2. Yes, condition is true. Sir, your minimum index will become 3. Sir, now j value, that's all. Loop got terminated. Sir, it will come out from the loop. And what condition we are checking? Is minimum is not equal to I? I is equal to 0, minimum is 3. No, it is not equal. Sir, we have to swap. So a of I, that is a of 0, and we have to swap, sir, a of minimum. What is the minimum that we have? Sir, minimum value is 3. So a of 3, these two elements we have to swap, so that your new list will become, sir, a of 0 is 1, sir, 2, and then 4, and then 3. Like this we will get. So this is nothing but when I is equal to 0. Okay. Sir, please confirm, is it clear for I is equal to 0? Everyone? I think slowly you people are addicted to these data structures, right? How the program trace will be there. Beautifully you are learning. Am I correct? Yes, I think you got confident that you can see any program. You will explain to others also very in clear manner. Hmm? Good. Nice. I have to thank yourself because the reason is with this much effort I am preparing and I am explaining for you people means I am becoming very strong. Yes. Have you when I am taking classes for you people, so I'm taking some points and I'm remembering small papers I'm writing and I'm explaining. For morning batch students, I'm not at all taking any paper. Directly I'm entering. Now I can able to see the problem statement directly. I can able to solve. That much confident I got. Right. Sir, let us trace this one more time. Sir, for I is equal to 1, I want to explain next value. Okay. When I is equal to 1, how many I values we will get? I think I is equal to 0. Sir, 1 less than 4 minus 1, 3 and 2. That's all, only two values. Let me take for I is equal to 1. Sir, what will be the values? Already, sir, we have 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So what will be the value of j? Sir, I think your j values will be I plus 1. That means 1 plus 1, 2 and then 3. That's all, 3 less than 4. Yes, only two values. Sir, what is the minimum value here we have? Sir, minimum value I am considering as a of I. That is I value. I value is 1. So minimum is nothing but 1. Now we have to compare a of j. Sir, what is the a of j? J value is 2. Sir, a of 2. A of 2 is nothing but 4. Okay, already this one is not there in the constraints. A of j, it is nothing but 4. Sir, is it less than a of minimum is 1? Sir, 2. Is it condition is 2? No. So leave as it is. So then you have to take j is equal to 3. Sir, a of 3 is nothing but 3. Sir, is it less than 2? No, condition not satisfied. So we are in safe. That means there is no change. Is min is equal to is not equal to I? Minimum is 1. Sir, is it equal to I or not? Yes. So swapping is not going to be done. So this list will remains as it is. We can say I is equal to 2 also. I mean I is equal to 1 is also sorted. Now your last value of I will become 2 because 0 completed, 1 completed, now it is 2. Sir, what is the list that we have? Sir, 1, 2, 4, 3 is there. I think you can able to see what will happen here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Sir, your j value will become I plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Sir, 3 less than 4 condition. I think only one value. Then your minimum value is nothing but I, that is nothing but 2. Sir, now what we have to do? For this j, we have to check a of j. A of 3 is nothing but 3. Sir, is it less than? So a of 2. What is a of 2? 4. Condition is 2. Sir, then j value. That's all. There ends the matter. Is your minimum value will become j. What is the j value? 3. So next it will come out from this. Is minimum is not equal to j or not? Yes, minimum is not equal to j. Then swapping is going to be performed. Here we will get 3 and here we will get 4. Sir, the final output what we got is nothing but, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So this is nothing but how selection sort is going to work. For ascending, we have to take a less than. For descending, we have to take a greater than. Ascending, descending. Remember carefully. Okay. Sir, I think full-fledged clarity you got with the help of this selection sort mechanism. Can you please confirm, is this concept is clear for you people, guys? If it is clear for you people, we can go for implementation of this algorithm, sir. Right. So let's go for implementation of this program. Sir, I have already this program is there. Just I will update here and then we are going to execute this. Sir, in the place of a bubble sort, what we have to do? Sir, selection sort. Selection sort ascending order. Okay. So here I am going to implement later. So let me take here also the selection sort ascending order. Let us consider the same. I am not changing. Sir, what is the algorithm that we have to do here? Sir, we need some variables like I we have to take, j we have to take, minimum we have to take, and also swapping. So what is our main logic? Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, internally your minimum value will become I first. Okay. Then for j is equal to I plus 1, your j value is less than n, j plus plus. So what we have to do, if your a of j is less than, sir, a of minimum, then I am going to take your minimum value will become j. Sir, after this, if your minimum is not equal to I, sir, what thing we have to do? Swapping. Sir, your temp will become A of I, and if your A of I will become, sir, A of minimum, and your A of minimum will become that temp. Like this, we have to exchange. Okay. Line number 9, initialization. Yeah, correct, Ajit. Very good. Thank you, Ajit. We have to declare n, and what is the initial value of that n, sir? I think it is length, right? That's all. Yeah, correct. Thank you, Ajit. So that's all. I think our program is not having any mistakes, but let me compile the program to check whether it is really correct or not. Okay. Sir, cd backspace Prakash classes. So Java C, I am taking test.java. Yes, good, working fine. Java space test. Sir, before sorting 193875524. After sorting 1234578 9. Sir, is it the data is sorted in ascending or not? Yes, but I think here we have to take ASC ascending order. Okay, so let me re-execute this. Yes, perfectly it is working. This is nothing but how you can able to implement the program in which order, sir? Selection sort ascending order. Okay. Sir, I want to do this program for descending order. If you want to do for descending order, I already told the only change is nothing but so you have to change the symbol, except that nothing is there. Maybe here we have to take sir DESE, and here you have to take so DESE, and this method name you have to take, and moreover here we have to take greater than. Now let me run this code. Sir, is it working? Have you observed? Is the data came in descending order or not? Yes. Same algorithm, sir. The only difference is nothing but we have changed the position. Beyond that, nothing is there. So I think you people got very clear clarity about this selection sort, sir. Can you please confirm any doubts up to this? Any doubts up to this? Please confirm everyone. Right. So the next sorting mechanism, what we have, insertion sort is there. Okay. Anyway, I will explain that. Just please wait for 2 minutes. Please wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, so let me continue. So the next sorting mechanism here we have is insertion sort. Okay, what is the next sorting mechanism? Insertion sort. So maybe if time permits, I will continue. Otherwise, just at least algorithm alone, I will explain. Okay, sir, have a look once. So first, I will go with this normal procedure, how the insertion sort is going to work. Sir, what we have done in the bubble sort, suppose if we have elements like this, so 3 4, okay, so 2 1 and then 5 like this. If you have in the bubble sort, sir, we have compared individual elements like this. We have compared individual elements. So this process we are doing repeatedly. So first last element will be sorted, then next element, then next element, like this we have done in case of bubble sort. Sir, in the selection sort, what we have done, we are finding the minimum element by comparing this element with all the elements. If any minimum element came, then we are interchanging those two values that we have done in the selection sort. Sir, what about insertion sort? Here we are dividing the entire array into two parts. So two parts, one is nothing but sorted part and then unsorted part. So we will take first element from this unsorted list and we will insert this in the sorted list in appropriate position. Okay, we are going to take the element and we will insert in the sorted list in appropriate position. That is nothing but our main concept. So now this point is called as insertion sort. Anyway, I will explain step by step how it is going to work. Listen carefully, sir. This is a bit somewhat complex algorithm, sir. That's why please understand it. Okay, so first I will explain the theory part. Sir, here consider the list of values what we have here. So I will change the values, sir. 5 4, okay, and then 10, something like 1 6 and then 2, like this consider we have. Okay, so this is 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location, like this we have. Sir, what I am taking is, sir, I will take one temporary variable here. I will take one temporary variable here. So in this variable, so I am going to store, okay, I am going to store. Sir, I will consider this list is divided into two parts. This is a sorted, this is unsorted list. So in this unsorted list, I am selecting the first element. Okay, what is the first element here? The first element what we have here is 4. I am going to store that 4 in temporary. So that here we got one vacant position. We got one vacant position. So that means empty value. So that we have this value in temporary variable. Later we can use this one. Okay, later we can use this one. Now what I am doing is, I will take this temporary variable and I will try to insert this temporary variable in this sorted list. Sir, directly we should not insert, we have to check the appropriate position. So while checking, make sure that you have to move in this direction, and while selecting the data from unsorted list, we have to move in this direction. So first I am taking 4 and I am checking with 5. Sir, is 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? We have to check. Sir, 4 is less than 5. Then we have to move this particular 5 to the next vacant position. So here we will get 5. Then, sir, we have to push 4 here. So this is 0th location. This is first location. These two elements got sorted list. Then unsorted data will become as usual 10, 1, 6, 2. Like this we have. So this is second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location. Okay, sir, I think you people got very clear clarity up to this, sir. Can you please confirm, is the first iteration, is it clear for you people? Everyone, please. Is this like a playing cards? Swapnil, correct. Insertion sort is best example for playing cards. You are going to take one card and you are going to insert that card in appropriate position. Very good example. Swapnil, correct. Good, good. Swapnil is sharp. Huh? Right. Now, sir, what is the next one? We have to repeat this task. Okay. Sir, again, I am taking one temporary variable. Sir, this is a sorted set. This is unsorted set. From the unsorted set, we have to move in this direction. So we have to select the next element, which is nothing but 10. Now we have to insert this 10 in the sorted list inappropriate. Sir, this position will become dummy, empty position. Now I will compare this 10 with 5 because in this direction we have to. Sir, is it 10 is greater than this 5 or not? Yes. Sir, then what we have to do? We have to insert this 10 here itself so that your data will become, sir, 4, 5, 10. This is sorted list. Rest of the data will be there here. So 3, 4, 5 are the locations and these locations are 0, 1. Like this we are getting. Now we have to take next temporary variable. Again, we have to move in this direction. Sir, I am taking 1 so that this position will become empty. Now what we are doing? First, we will compare 1 with 10. Sir, 1 is less than 10. So move 10. Then compare 1 with 5. Sir, 1 is less than 5. So move 5. Then compare 1 with 4. Sir, 1 is less than 4. Then move here. Then try to insert this 1 in this position. So that we will get 1, 4, 5 and then 10 up to this sorted list. Unsorted list is nothing but 6, 2 where the locations are 4, 5 and 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this we have. Okay. Now again we have to take temporary variable which will become 6. So compare 6 with 10. Okay. Sir, is it less? Yes. So move 10. Then compare 5 with 6. Is it less? No. Then 6 we have to insert here. So 1, 4, sir, 5, 6 and then 10. And then we are going to get it. Okay, like this. Sir, next your temporary variable will become 2. Sir, now this is the vacant position. Sir, is it less than 10? No, move 10. Sir, is it less than 6? Yes, move 6. Is it less than 5? Yes, move 5. Is it less than 4? Yes, move 4. Is it less than 1? No. Then we have to place here. So your final list will become, sir, 1, 2. Okay. Sir, 4, 5. So 6, 10. Like this we will get. So this is nothing but how insertion sort is going to work, sir. Can you please confirm, is this insertion sort how it is going to work? Is it clear for you people? Diagrammatically, I have not explained the code. Diagrammatically, is it clear for you people? Crystal clear, Ajit. Good, good. Right. Now, sir, let me write code for this. Let me write code for this. Sir, what is the code here is for don't start from 0 because 0th element is, I am considering that element is already in sorted set. So we have to start from I is equal to 1, I less than n I am taking I plus plus. Okay, we have to repeat the task. What is the task? I will store your a of I into temporary variable. Just now I told right here we have to store that element, right? That value I have done. Next what we have to do, sir, is equal to I minus 1. So we have to maintain one more pointer here for checking with another subarray. We have to maintain one more pointer here. For this maintaining I am taking j. What is the value of j? When I is equal to 1, 1 minus 1. When I is equal to 2, 2 minus 1. When I is equal to 3, 3 minus 1. Like that. So j is equal to I minus 1. Now what comparisons we have to do? You need to check whether the value of j is greater than 0. Until the value of j is greater than 0, you have to keep on repeating. Sir, observe carefully here. j value is moving in this direction. That means it is starting from 1, so till 0 you have to take. It is starting from 2 till 0, we have to take that one. And at the same time, sir, your a of I, sorry, your a of j is greater than temp or not also we have to check. Means what? Sir, here we have taken 4, right? Sir, j greater than, here j value is nothing but 0, 0 greater than or equal to 0, and we are checking a of j, a of 0 is 5. Is it greater than temp value is 4? Sir, is the condition is true or not? Yes. Then we have to shift the position. Okay, then we have to shift the position. For example, sir, where shifting is not happened, if you take somewhere shifting is not happened, yeah, maybe here, if you see, sir, here j value is nothing but 1. 1 is greater than 0 or not? Yes. And sir, a of j is 5. Sir, is it greater than temp? What is the temp value? Which is nothing but a 10. Sir, is the condition is true, false? Then shifting is not happening here. So that we have to check. For checking whether is shifting is happening or not, just I have taken this condition. Next, we have to do the shifting. What is the shifting? Very simple. Your a of j plus 1 is equal to a of j. We have to move a of j plus 1. Suppose in this case, a of j is nothing but 0. J plus 1 means 1. This value we have to move here. Okay, like this we are. Sir, now j value should be decremented by 1 unit or not? Yes. Sir, this process we have to keep on repeating until that value is greater. Sir, if the value is not greater, it will come out from this. That vacant position, whatever is there, that I am copying with the temp. For example, in this example, if you take 4, sir, your j value is 0, 0 greater than 0, condition satisfied. So after that, what we are doing? Sir, your a of j is nothing but what? Sir, 5. Is it greater than 4 or not? Yes, condition 2. Then what we are doing? A of j plus 1. We are moving a of 1 is equal to a of 0. This value we have moved. Sir, after that, j value will be decremented. Minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, condition false. Sir, at last we have to copy this value to this or not? Yes, that is a of j plus 1. J value is becoming minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 means 0. Your a of 0 will become that temp what we have assigned. So that value we are going to get. Okay, that's all. There ends the matter. So it is going to print the result. Okay, so anyway, I think I have explained very clearly, but let me take one example so that you can get a clarity. Okay, so that we can get a clarity. Sir, first I am taking for your understanding purpose, let me take the list in the reverse first. Sir, 5. Okay, 5. So 4, 3, so 2, 1, like this I am taking. Okay, so here, this is my list. Okay, sir, what we have to do? We need to divide it into two parts. So 0th location, first location, second, third, fourth. Listen carefully, friends. So when I is equal to 1, what is happening? Sir, your temp value will become a of I. That is nothing but 5. Yes, my temp is safe. Then your j value will become I minus 1. That means 1 minus 1, that is nothing but 0. Only one time iteration is going to be happen. Sir, is the condition is true? 0 greater than or equal to 0. Yes. Then a of j, that is nothing but a of 0 is 5. Is it greater than temp? Temp value is 5. Sir, is the condition is true or not? Something like we are missing. A of j is nothing but 0. Sir, 5 greater than 5. Yeah, temp is 4. Yeah, correct. Temp is 4, not 5. So temp is nothing but 4. Yeah, sorry, sir. Just, sir, you people are listening very well. Very good. So your temp will become 4. Sir, is it greater than 4 or not? Yes, condition true. Then what I am doing? Sir, a of j plus 1. J value is 0. 0 plus 1 means a of 1 will become, sir, a of 0. What is the a of 1? Already 4 is there. That will be replaced with 5. Sir, now j value will be decremented by 1 unit. It will become minus 1. Sir, -1 greater than or equal to 0, condition is false. Then it will come out from this while loop. Sir, a of j plus 1, -1 plus 1 will become 0 is equal to temp. What is a temp? 4. Now this will be updated to 4. Sir, we will get, sir, 4, okay, and then 5, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. In my point of view, this first half got sorted. Okay, sir, I think the first iteration is very clear for you people, right guys? Please confirm. Right, sir, let me take second iteration. Let me take second iteration. Sir, now what will be the value of I? Your I value will become 2. Sir, now what is my list? Sir, already 4, 5 is there. Okay, so 3, 2, 1 is there. Okay, 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth. Up to this division is there. Sir, I value is 2. Your temporary value will become a of 2. That is nothing but 3. And your j value will become I minus 1. That means 2 minus 1, 1. So your j values will be 0 and then 1. For 0, what I am taking? Sir, for first one, we have to take 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Condition is true. Sir, a of j, a of 1 is nothing but 5. Sir, is it 5 is greater than 2? Yes, condition true. Then what will happen? A of j plus 1. So a of j value is 1. A of 2 will become, sir, a of 1. So that means we are shifting this 5 to this particular position. Yes, good. Now j value will become decremented by 1 unit. Now 0 greater than 0, condition true. Sir, then what is the next value? Sir, a of 0, a of 0. What is the a of 0 value? A of 0 is nothing but 4. Sir, is 4 is greater than, so temp, what is the temp value here we have? So temp value is 3. Sir, is it greater than 3? Yes, condition 2. Then what will happen? A of j plus 1, a of 1 plus 0 plus 1 will become 1 is equal to a of 0. So we have to assign a of 0 to this one, so it will become 4. Sir, next a of j value will become -1, it will stop. Then a of j plus 1 -1, a of 0 will become that temp. What is the temp value? 3. So that value will be copied. Now what will be the new list? Sir, we are getting 3, 4, okay, 5, and then 2, 1. This process it is going to be repeated, sir. Okay, sir, I am not tracing this. You try to trace this for I is equal to 3 and for I is equal to 4. You try to trace out. Okay, so I have to see this particular take a A4 paper and try to write this algorithm. Take any example other than this and try to write for all the iterations step by step. Here I don't have space, that's why I have not covered in detail. Sorry for that. And try to take this one and post it on our WhatsApp group by keeping the heading as insertion sort in our paper top. Try to solve. Okay, so that other people will get interest towards this. Okay, I hope at least 1 or 2 members are going to do that. So I will be happy if I see that. Okay, by seeing the unsorted array, can we tell how many iterations will be done? No, not required. See how many elements are there, those many times we have to reiterate. Okay, excluding the first step remaining. Suppose if your array is having 10 elements, so 9 iterations we have to do. Okay, so complexities for all these algorithms will be same, but the data, if the data is in sorted order, then it will take less time. If the data is not in sorted order, it will take time. Okay, that it will be depends. So anyway, I will explain this execution part in the tomorrow's session. Of course, we have covered very clearly. So try to do that homework, whatever I have given. So we will execute these instructions in our tomorrow's class. Okay, right, sir. So I will upload this particular document within few minutes. You can able to download. Okay, right. Thank you, friends. Good night. See you tomorrow. Yeah, I am uploading the documents now itself. So try to practice, sir. I request everyone to please do that. Yeah, I uploaded notes also. Please cross check once. Okay. Thank you, guys.